So what's up guys, welcome back sa aking channel. So for today's video, pag-usapan natin guys yung Vivo V19. Ito yung bagong model ng Vivo. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell notification para maging updated kayo guys sa aking next nga video. So ayun na nga guys, pag-usapan natin yung Vivo V19. So simulan na natin. Alright guys, so we have now the Vivo V19. Actually guys, yung phone na to is powered by Snapdragon 712 with Octa-core 2.3 GHz. So yung storage nito guys, may dalawang klase. Yung isa is 8GB with 128GB internal, and the other one is 8GB with 256GB internal storage. Alright guys, so this time let's unbox the phone. Yun. So yan guys, ito yung Vivo V19. So meron siyang design dun sa pag-open nyo pa lang, yung V19 tapos yung bilog. So maganda yung kanyang design. Actually yung loob niyan is yung kanyang accessories na silicone case, SIM card ejector, manual, at saka yung USB Type-C. And of course, yung telepono. Ayan. So mamaya na natin yan check. Yung kanyang 33 watts flash charge 2.0. Yan. Fast charge po yan. And then of course, ang kanyang headset. Alright. So yan guys, yung loob ng box with accessories ng ating Vivo V19. Alright guys, so now titingnan natin or bubuksan natin yung telepono. Ayan, what I have now is actually the sleek silver color. May dalawang kulay yan guys, sleek silver and a gleam black. So front and back glass po yan with metal frame. Yan, glossy. So ang kanyang quad camera is actually consists of 48 MP, 8, 2 and 2. So apat yung camera niya guys sa likod. Now doon sa harap naman, yung front camera niya is consists of 32 MP and 8 MP. Alright guys, this side is the headphone jack, mic, Type-C USB port, and loudspeaker. Volume at saka yung power button. And the other side is the kanyang secondary mic. At the same time, the SIM card tray. And the SIM card tray guys is a dual SIM with dedicated memory card. Okay guys, so nabuksan na natin yung telepono. Yung screen size actually nito is 6.44 inches with Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution on 409 density. So this is running on Funtouch OS 10 based on Android 10 also. So Android 10 na po rin guys yung system niya. So let us just play around sa kanyang camera setting. We have SDR, may portrait, ang camera setting. Actually may dun sa setting niya may nakalagay dyan is super wide angle, pwede siyang iset mo sa bokeh, and super macro. Now this time guys is a sample video. Video actually you can set to 4K or 1080p. Yan. So 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Now these are the picture samples using the back camera. Yan. Yung camera po sa likod to guys ang ginagamit. Now the fingerprint actually guys, kung napanood niyo yung last video ko ng Vivo Y15 2020, the same po siya ng animation ng kanyang fingerprint scanner. So pwede nyo guys i-review yung previous video ko. Yan. So About gaming naman, you can set into gaming mode. Yan. So, napapansin ko actually yung kanyang smoothness na mabilis yung kanyang ano guys, yung response. Of course, this phone is powered by 4,500 milliamperes of battery. Yan. Kung sa gaming naman is actually pwede sa guys. Ayan guys, so pag tungkol naman po sa price, yung price range po nito guys sa Pilipinas around nasa ano po, nasa 21k. So roughly, so estimate lang po yan. Kasi po dito sa Brunei, that is price po dito is 599. So ayun. So ang tanong, sulit ba yung telepono na to? Pagdating sa camera, sa specification, quality, premium niya yung ano niya, kanyang katawan. Sa gaming, so nakita niyo naman yung kanyang response. So maganda po talaga guys yung V19 na ito. So if you're planning na magbibili ng telepono, so this is one of the i-recommend ko sa inyo, yung Vivo V19. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat sa suporta, maraming salamat sa patuloy na panonood. And for unbox, tutorial and vlogs, this is video channel. Thank you.